Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers here with another RV parts showcase. Today I want to talk to you about something that's probably dear to most of your hearts. Everybody's on the internet now, right? Everybody needs access either to pay bills, maybe to work. We have a lot of people that are buying RVs right now and working on the road. Traveling nurses, we have people that work for insurance companies, things like that. There's all kinds of applications, and you know, we've learned through the pandemic that a lot of people had to work from home. Well, if I'm going to work from home, might as well jump my RV and go see something, right? Well, this enables you to do that. This is the Winegard. It's called a 4G LTE plus Wi-Fi extender. So what is it? Sort of like a hotspot, right? Comes with its own package. It will give you internet when you're on the road. Mounts to the top of your roof if you want. Some people just put it out, but it's better if it's up high, unobstructed. And then it will actually turn your internet into Wi-Fi for you, so as you're in your coach, outside of your coach, around your coach, and it'll boost it. It does a really great job. Again, what are the applications? Working on the road, just camping, right? You want to be able to run your TV, things like that, other things that you use for the internet, want to keep up on the news. This enables you to be very mobile and very free. If you have any questions, give us a call, 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.